Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad to have you here. Today's video is part of the frankincense mini series that we've started, talking about the benefits of frankincense as well as its uses, some warning signs, and we've also just started a little mini series in between that, handling a couple of ailments and problems that frankincense has been proven and known to help with. And we also talk about the scientific research as well as give you some dosage recommendations, so then in the end you can actually decide and make an informed decision whether to use frankincense as part of your treatment plan or not. In this video, we are going to talk about how frankincense can help improve your asthma. Traditional medicine has used frankincense for centuries to treat bronchitis and asthma. Research suggests that its compounds may prevent the production of leukotrienes, which cause your bronchial muscles to constrict in asthma. In one small study in people with asthma, 70% of participants reported improvements in symptoms such as shortness of breath and wheezing after receiving 300 megagrams of frankincense capsules 3 times daily for 6 weeks. Now I'll link the studies as well as some really good sources you can check out in the description box below the video. Similarly, a daily frankincense dose of 1.4 megagram per pound of body weight, 3 megagram per kilo, improved lung capacity and helped reduce asthma attacks in people with chronic asthma. In another research, researchers gave people 200 megagrams of a supplement made from frankincense and the South Asian fruit bell. They found that the supplement was more effective than the placebo at reducing symptoms of asthma. To conclude, frankincense may help reduce the likelihood of asthma attacks in vulnerable people. It may also help relieve asthma symptoms such as shortness of breath and wheezing. Now, when we come to the recommended dosages per the Healthline website, they do recommend 300 to 400 megagrams of frankincense capsules 3 times per day for 6 weeks. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let us know if you are interested to know more about frankincense and other healing remedies. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.